Right, good morning everyone. I think you can see what I'm doing. I've got some pearls, some bling, the roundels, different coloured ones. And what I'm doing, you've seen me do these before, but I am just making a few bits and pieces for another project. And I make them up like that, ready. And then all I have to do, all I have to do then is just add the centre. So it might be a pearl, it could be a diamante, whatever. Could be a different bead altogether. So I make lots of these up and then I can use them when I want. So to show you how to do that, I'm going to use, I think, now wait a minute, let's get a different size bead. So I'm going to use the 8mm bead. So that's, don't need that one. Let's have a look, see what we've got. That's slightly smaller, so I need that size, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 2 cream. 4, 5, 6. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. No, it isn't. There it is. So with 6 beads, and you can put these sort of things on, but I don't have enough of them. You know, this metal spacer, so I haven't got enough of those, so we're not going to do that. We're just going to continue using the roundels. But you can use different beads as well. So I'm going to get a small piece of wire, start and thread them on, which is alternate bead, roundel, bead, until you've got them all on. Now, you newbies, if you're new to crafting and you've seen these in the shops or online and you've thought, oh god, they're expensive, look, make your own. I know I sell them as well, I do sell them, and I sell things like them, but I also want you to save your money where you can and make your own. And for those who don't know, I'll say it again, our motto is make what you can and buy what you can't make. Then just twist your wires together. Right, I twist it a fair bit and then poke that in. Just poke that in like that and you're done. You can shape it later. Cut it where you've twisted it, and then you tuck that underneath, and when you've got your back piece of felt on, you won't see that, and you can shape that however you want it to be, but they are nice, really nice. So I'm going to do that again. Let me just choose, let's have a gold one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, don't tell me I haven't got any more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 5, got one. I use such a lot of these. I make them all the time, you know. I can sit and just cut a batch. Make a batch, sorry. Hopefully that's not too small. I'm going to do this size bead, because you can do it absolutely any size bead. Let me just see what that size, because you got to get the roundels to match the size. Oh, I like that. Do I? No. I like the bigger bead. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our beads. They all run around anywhere but where you want them. Come here. So again, just alternate them. Like that. So, there it is. And then we need the last roundel. 6 beads, 6 roundels. Take them together and just twist. You feel the beads in that go tight. And then I'm really supposed to use my pliers, I'm not supposed to use my scissors. You should never use your scissors for wire cutting unless they're made especially for that. I just do that, push that into shape. And there you go. They're so easy, so quick to make. And then you can add your little pearl on as well. I've got videos out showing you how to do these. You don't have to have these. If you haven't got roundels, you can use Diamante. If you haven't got Diamante, you can use the beaded string. And we sell all of it. So, you know. Also, notice 6, 5. So you can do them like that. But once you've done them, like, look at this one. Right? If you did them a little bit bigger, you can make your own frames. Look. You can push them into whatever shape you want them and then glue them into place. So, let me just see. I want to make a pearl one. Let me just see. I'm right. I've got clear. Let's just get the clear ones. Not the AB ones, just clear. I might end up using the AB actually because there's more of them than the others. That's green, we don't want that one. That's AB. So we've got AB, Aurora Borealis. Did I say it right? I often get it wrong. People laugh. We don't care. And I don't. Just keep going until I'm happy with the size of the frame. And they look gorgeous on a nice shabby chic plaque or, you know, something. I love making them. I just like being inventive. Inventive, is that a word? Oh, different. So, yeah. Different. I don't know how many beads I've got on now. I've lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. God, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 8. I have got 12 on, but no, I want a bigger frame, so I'm gonna go a little bit more with that. Let's have another look. A little bit more. I've plenty of pearls to play around with. Plenty. I mean, that's what they're here. That's why I've collected them. That's what they're here for me to play. No, that's not one of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. No, a bit bigger. 15, let's have a look. 15, 16. That's about right, I think. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19. I'm gone. Can't do an odd number. Oh dear, can't do an odd number. One more, lassie. Oh, of course, hardly find one. So, again, that's 20 pearls, and I'm just going to do that. Okay, I'm going to trim that. And I'm going to leave that a little bit long because I'm going to show you something. You're not going to see that anyway, but this, you can put this in the shape you want. And they look fantastic with a picture, so I'm just going to share that with you. See if that's the picture, and you frame the picture, just ignore that, we'll turn that way, look. And then lace underneath, so you can attach your lace to the underneath of this. Just back to finish this off. So I've got my picture. I'm going to trim it into a ovalish type of shape. Let me just move those out of the way, hopefully you can see. So my glue gun is ready, I hope. Nope. Right, I thought I'd show you what I mean. I've cut my picture out. I've added, or add in the lace, should I say. And just do about an inch at a time. It's just saves messing about. Put it on, but even though it's gathered, pinch it. That will help it lay flat, and you can pull it down a bit if you've gone too far. Again, like I say, just pinch it down a little bit. Like that, and the last inch. And then we just cut that. Sorry, it's my glue gun. It doesn't stand up on its own, so I have to put something near it to stand it up. Right, so we've got that so far. And I'm quite happy with that. And then what I'm going to do is attach this. Now, I'm going to leave this out, but cut a little bit off because there's going to be another bead going around it. So I'm just going to do that instead of tucking it in. Although I can tuck it in now. I don't want it to be seen, that's all. But never mind. So, first thing I'm going to do is to glue around the edge. Like that. And then we attach the frame. And while the glue is still hot, we can move it about where we want it, pull the frame like that. Isn't that pretty? And then I'm just going to keep that on there and attach to that, I'm just going to add another lot of pearl around the edge. I'm going to start at the bottom section and just work my way around, adding that pearl on, because I want a little bit more glam. And that's all I'm doing. Pull the lace out a bit more. I've already cut it to size. I might have it a little bit long actually. And that covers on that metal, the wire that was I twisted. Okay, let's just do that. Yeah, we can squeeze that in. Like that. And look at that. For a shabby chic pearl and diamante. That, you know, that can now go on a project somewhere. Beautiful. And they're easy to make. And that's perfectly fine. But that's going to go on. I'm going to do a like a perfume bottle shape. Maybe I don't know. I'll do something, and that will definitely go on it. The only thing I'm bothered about is that bit there. Oh, that's it. I'm just pulling it out. The lace. It's a little bit. That's it. It was stuck in there. That's better. Yeah. And that bit as well. It was kind of like stuck. There we go. That's it. Done. Pretty, aren't they? That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.